Hi everybody, thanks for joining our tour today. This is actually my listing that just went active this morning, so it is hot off the presses, and we're going to do a quick home tour. It has a beautiful porch, covered porch. It is in a lovely neighborhood. Has wood treads on the stairs. Enter the foyer, and here is a powder room. We're going to go ahead and go to the left, and we're going to be in the master bedroom. And this is a fantastic primary bath. Look at this beautiful floor. And I actually asked the sellers if it was slippery because it's so pretty and shiny that I thought it might be. And they said, no, it's not. It's the first of two walk-in closets. And here is the main primary walk-in closet. A window. We're going to walk into the main living space. There's all the windows. It's dark now, but normally this is just flooded with light. There is an outlet in the floor, so you don't have to worry with cords and all with your lamps. Beautiful wood-toned cabinets, upgraded hood. They are soft close as well. Notice the double ovens and the microwave. They're all Frigidaire appliances. This is two storage closets. And we will go into the garage just real quickly. This is a 3-car garage. Here's the laundry room. See the nice cabinets again. And sink. This could be used as a pantry if you'd like, or just storage. And then here is the coat closet. You come in from the garage. And again, this beautiful living space. Another closet. They have so much storage in this house. It's fantastic. Alright, so let's go see what's upstairs. This is a loft space. And again, lots of natural light. It's the first of 3 bedrooms up here. Just a closet. The second bedroom, fantastic walk-in closet. We forgot to look at the closet in this one. Again, a great walk-in. And this is a hobby room. This is just a great general flex space. And again, the loft is over there. This is the shared bath. Upstairs. And again, a nice size closet. Hobby room again. And here's the third bedroom upstairs and fourth in the house. Nice big windows. Isn't that cute tile on the floor? And here's a closet in this space. This house really has great closets and just in storage space in general. Alright guys, we are done with this tour. And if you'd like any more information on this house, please contact me. If you know anyone who might be interested, please share this information with them. I'm Courtney Isbell with Zach Taylor Real Estate in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. My contact information will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. Everyone have a great day.